So here's a rough draft of what the aquarium might look like. Right now, nothing is set in stone. I still got to deal with the live plants. I got a few more coming, and some terracotta pots and some special substrate for them. Most likely the live plants will be going into the center, toward the back. And that's about it. You know, like I said, nothing is etched in here. Things could be changing. I got my new tops on. I got some new airline to replace the old and crusty ones. All I got to do now is just cut and fit the plastic strips for the back. And put the new lights on. And then call it a project. So I've been at this for almost 3 hours now, fooling around. Looking pretty good. I'm already starting to like it. I did eliminate some things, except for don't feed the fish and no fishing. So I'll come back for the final. So the new lights are installed, and it gives the aquarium a whole different look. So like I mentioned, when I went to my local fish store, I noticed that their lights are blue and white. So I did the same thing with these. The strips are white, a neutral white, and then I put blue LEDs on the sides, on both sides. And what I use for spacers, yes, that's a Lego. I used Legos for spacers. And they fit in there perfectly. It's amazing. They almost click in there. And then I got the night light bar in the back. So it looks good. I like it. And then I did the same thing for the platy tank. Legos for spacers. And they look good in there too. So now we'll go take a look at the old lights and see how decrepit they really were. See you there. Here are the retired LED strip lights from back in 2012. Let's take a look at the condition of them. We'll plug them in the power and see what's light, what's live, and what's dead. And yeah, there's some segments out. On the ends, a couple of spots out in the middle. So they've seen better days. Now we'll take a look at the other set. See what they look like. And they're even worse. And these ones didn't even run at full power. These ran barely lit. So they're really bad. So that's it. We'll see how long the new ones last. Catch you later.